Hello and welcome everyone to Subaru of Saskatoon, located at 471 Circle Place. Today we have something truly exciting to explore, the 2024 Forester Wilderness. Let's dive right in. This Forester Wilderness comes in an amazing autumn green, sits on 17-inch wheels paired with Yokohama all-terrain tires, and has a jaw-dropping 9.2 inches of ground clearance. The lighting includes steering responsive LED headlights, LED fog lights, and for those wild adventures into the darkness, and for your safety, it is equipped with Subaru's award-winning EyeSight driver assistance. Under the hood of the Forester Wilderness is a well-balanced transplant, a 2.5-liter boxer engine that provides the power of 182 ponies, a chain-driven CVT for that smooth acceleration, and Subaru's world-famous all-wheel drive to get you through whatever conditions you may come across. The Wilderness also boasts a maximum towing capacity of 3,000 pounds. Looking at the driver's door panel, we see the mirror, window, and lock switches. Located inside the spacious cabin is the soft-touch, all-weather material seating, and a large sliding sunroof that lets you enjoy nature's elemental presence. Located on the left side of the steering wheel are the Bluetooth and audio switches, and on the right side of the wheel are the adaptive cruise, lane keep, and heated steering wheel switches. In the center dash is an 8-inch infotainment system that is both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready. Located below are the climate controls and some storage. Taking a look at the rear seating, there is an armrest with cup holders and USB charging ports. Opening the power tailgate provides plenty of cargo space and one-touch easy fold seats. Also provided is a full-size spare tire and tools. Thanks again for watching another review with us at Subaru of Saskatoon. Stop by and check out this 2024 Forester Wilderness and all the other options not mentioned in this video.